to go live on YouTube.
Welcome to Quick Guide.
I'm up with another quick analysis tutorial video on how to go live in YouTube. It's important to note that there are certain criteria you need to meet before becoming eligible for live streaming on YouTube, such as reaching a specific number of subscribers. Make sure to fulfill these requirements to unlock the live streaming feature. So now firstly open your web browser and at the search bar search for youtube.com. Once you are on the YouTube homepage, locate the create icon. Click on it and a menu of options will appear. Among the choices, select the Go Live option. Upon choosing Go Live, you will be directed to a new interface. Here you will be presented with the option to either stream live immediately or schedule it for later. Decide it yourself, then click on Start if you are ready to go live. Moving on the next page, you will have the opportunity to customize your live stream. Once you have personalized everything to your liking, click on Go to initiate the live stream. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to stream live on YouTube. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.